first floor and second floor. So you have the first staircase. As you can see, it's so filthy. It's really out of control here. And this is the second. And there's this little hallway here, right? And then it leads you to the master, which is not too bad, but it's really bad here. So that's like the entrance to the first bathroom. I don't know. I don't think you'll have enough time to do these bedrooms, and these bedrooms are not in bad condition, to be honest with you. It's more this area, you know, the hallway, the master, and the stairs, which, as you can see clearly, they're terrible. And like I mentioned, the guest is going to come tomorrow at 4 o'clock. If you could please do this, I would appreciate it. I only just got your number. I wish I would have gotten it earlier.
What's up, Miami? What's up, Keep It Cleaners all around the world? This is your boy Miguel So Clean with Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile. This was a last minute job. Apparently Stanley Steamers couldn't tackle this job, but we did. We came, we conquered, and we delivered. Again, this was a last minute job. The stairs, they look great, trust me. There's just no lights, and I'll show you that in a minute. But look at all the upstairs. Everything's done, everything's dry. It's about 90% dry, guys. 90% dry. All the stains are gone, lifted. Beautiful white wool carpet. And right here, it's been abrasive due to the fact that the company before decided to go ahead and steam wool, and steam and wool do not do well because you're going to burn the fibers, okay? So friendly reminders to all the cleaners out there, do not steam wool because you are going to make things worse, okay? Steam is a good thing for, you know, hard surfaces, but when it comes to, you know, organic fibers, hot water's fine, okay? We decided to go VLM because just because we know our craft, you know. We came, we conquered, and we delivered. All the stains that were there are gone. We were able to knock out all her rooms that she wanted. The carpets came. They look fire. I mean, they look a lot better than hot water extraction, if you ask me. But, you know, I'm a VLM king, and I pay attention to the fibers. Now, as you can see, there's no light. No light. Look, up, no light, nothing works. So let me turn on my camera's flashlight and look how beautiful it looks. It looks nice and bright and white. And the customer already came in. She was flipping out. She's like, you guys are the best. And yellow light doesn't do any justice either. Yellow light is like the worst nightmare for all carpet cleaners. But look at the difference, guys. Here are a couple clips, a couple shots that we did. Big difference. And again, guys, call Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile, okay? Look at reviews. Google search the business that you're going to hire. We're not going to appeal to everybody simply because our prices are a little higher, but check other companies and check out their reviews, okay? Again, we're not for every client. We're not for every prospect. We're for that ideal client that likes to keep their carpets clean. We are looking for that client that likes to call us every 6 months to every year. And remember, clean home equals healthier living. Call the best. Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile.